Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and welcome to the very first video in my fall decor series. I'm so excited to kick things off today, so let's go ahead and get started. This is our first fall season in our cozy little coastal cottage here in sunny Florida. It is the beginning of September when I'm filming the video, and we're already starting to feel that little shift in the air. The temperatures are dropping just a bit, and there is a soft breeze coming in off the beach. I'm setting up this ladder because I'm thinking about hanging some fall garland up here, maybe something with leaves or little pumpkins. We'll see how it looks once it's up. But first, I'm taking down all the decor to clear the space. It's definitely time for a seasonal refresh. And then I have got to sweep. There is so much sand out here right now, since there are a few empty lots across the street where they are building houses. The wind just blows all the sand right onto the porch. Real coastal living, right? Let's get all cleaned up so we can start layering in all the cozy fall touches. Now we're going to start decorating this bench, which I'm really excited about. I actually bought this bench online, and then I gave it a little makeover by painting it the same color as our front door, which is Sherwin-Williams Moody Blue. I'm keeping the bench decor really simple this season. I found this super cute fall garland on Amazon, and I think it adds up just the right touch without being too much. Because it's so windy here, thanks to living this close to the beach, I usually skip the cushions on the bench. They just end up flying all over the place. Now we're moving on to the front door, and I'm really excited about this part because I made this fall wreath myself. I was going for a rustic cottage style look, and I just love how the colors turn out. It has all those warm fall tones, and I added this cute little scarecrow, and I think adds such much charm. I picked up all the materials at Michael's, and honestly, it was such a fun and easy do-it-yourself project. It really makes the front door feel extra welcoming. Next up, we're hanging a fall garland. At first, I was planning to wrap it around this column, but once I started, I realized I didn't have quite enough to go all the way. So change of plans, we're going to hang it straight across the top of the porch. My husband is helping me measure and center it, and we are using command hooks to keep it in place. Super easy and no damage to the paint. I think it turned out very cute. What do you think? Now that we're done with the garland, I'm taking a quick water break. Gotta stay hydrated out here. Decorating here is definitely a little workout. I'm working with this basket of artificial flowers that I found on Amazon. They're honestly so realistic. When we move, I think I placed some of my fall flowers in another bin that I still haven't found, so I ended up ordering a few extras, and fingers crossed they're supposed to arrive today, hopefully before I finish decorating and filming this video. I'm going to add the checker pattern rug that is from Hobby Lobby. Now we're moving over to this little corner of the porch, and I pick up these hay stacks from Walmart. I actually keeping the clear plastic on them this time because in the past, whenever I unwrap them, hay will end up everywhere across the yard. So this just makes cleanup way easier. And dress them up with the same fall ribbon I used on the front door wreath. Then I'm adding a couple of cute scarecrows and a fall leaves garland I found at Michael's to bring some color and textures. And perfect timing, while I was working on this corner, the Amazon delivery truck showed up with the flowers I was waiting on. The flowers look exactly as the ones that I bought with the basket, and I had enough to finish the basket and a few extras to tuck into the haystacks. I will show you how everything looks all together at the end of the video. While I was unboxing the Amazon delivery in the garage, I spotted a box on one of the shelves, and guess what? I had one of my favorite fall pumpkins in it. Since moving into this house, all of my seasonal decor is kind of spread out everywhere. We don't have a basement, so I have been tucking things into closets, shelves, and the garage, wherever I can find space. So it was a fun little surprise to find that pumpkin again. I brought it out and I will show you how it looks on the porch at the end of the video. And to finish off the decor, I added this colorful fall garden flag over onto the side of the front yard. It's small, but I love how it adds a pop of color and gives a cheerful welcome from the street. Now that everything is decorated, let's go ahead and take a little tour of the porch and the front yard. I'm so happy how it all came together, even with a few last minute surprises and a little improvising along the way. The garland, the wreath, the scarecrows, it all just feel really cozy and welcoming for our first fall here in the coastal cottage. Here in the front garden, just look at these colors. The plants are starting to show their fall tones and they complement the new decor perfectly. It really ties everything together and adds that extra bit of charm. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and decorating the porch. I had so much fun and I hope this inspires you to add some fall touches to your own home too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of the fall series. There is a lot more to come. See you in the next one. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage.